di ka di sa bali ti sarek na tata medyo dalin na ay. Anyway, maudin na po nga ko ito yan nga daras na yun. Ayan. Style ko na tayo pala. Madanagang kalaw na kanya ko. Okay, nga rod. Dagiti na dumapay nga pangablaaw. Ayan, kat tatay tapay lang i-request ito si Siwit nga tatay mi pa lang apong amin niya nakanta. Isong aming kansunen. Anyway, kasangsang pet ni manang Aida Pasqua Clinton na po medyo maikawa kami no kasi nga medyo late ka nga sumangputan. And good afternoon, lataking ka man ng alaman at amatiket ko English ko na ni man English ken Ilocano aglaok-laok. And yan, pasilip-silip lang muna karuba Adda pay tay boss mi ko na. Enjoy listening ate ko na naman ni Alex. And of course, at ano kita balong kung
hello idol, pa-shoutout sa Family Perez sa San Antonio, Ramon na nakikinig po sa programa ninyo from Arian de la Cruz. I miss seeing you Karuba from Auntie Charity. Yan, hello Ate Charity ko, Ate J. Remy. G. Remy. Sobra busy dito iso nga jak makakon il. Makakonail. Ate Charity.
Okay, gapo talaok-laok tayo hindi kita man meta paborito tang kansunan o daponsunan balong. Numanarimaan na po nga bandan da kita mangan da iti moten ti kurkurso na dami kantaan da kita talaga mga makapabisin.
Thing I've ever done is keep believing there's someone in this crazy world for me. The way the people come and go through temporary lives, my chance could come and I might never know. I used to say in the promises, let's keep it simple. But freedom only helps you say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free. The price I paid is high enough for me. To be in love, I know I've wasted too much time. I know I ask perfection of a quiet and perfect world. I'm fool enough to think that's what I find. So here I am with pockets full of good intentions, but none of them will comfort me tonight. I'm wide awake at 4 a.m. without a friend in sight. I'm hanging on hope, but I'm alright. I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I asked perfection of a quiet and perfect world. I'm fool enough to think that's what I'll find. Fool enough to think that's what I'll find.
this time, here's something from Jose Marichan. Kita.
Selakit ko ti Jose Marichan nga kanta.
Tell me your name. You're lovely. Please tell me your name. Bekang ko kinanta ato yun. Just when I thought this would be one of those boring games, you walked into this feelings. You look at me and smile. My heart unfroze and started going wild. Can you imagine this? The confusions of first love kiss. I return to wondering if the magic of love was this. You merely said hello, and my mind did stop and go. Can it possibly be the future for me is you? Tell me your name. I must know when to tell me your name. I'm not insane, just frightened that you might go. Don't go, please stay beside me. Just wait until I can tell you all my schemes. Chasing rainbows, spinning dreams, finding someone to love like you. I'm not insane, just frightened that you might go. Don't go, please stay beside me. Just wait until I can tell you all my schemes. Chasing rainbows, spinning dreams. Tell me please your name. Tell me. Kaaruba ket limalangan nga minutos na nababatiin ket syempre pumabakata kami weten dito yan na po iti manong yung Jun Seriales
Kan kanakan yo John Mark Pastor.
Won ket adda kami tubalin apo next week at the same time, same frequency 98.5 IFM Cauayan.
Iti idol tayo nga FM.
One ket biru kok pala ang mo ding sonata tang may paay kini kapsat Kathy Cabal Salvador. Kaputi iso ti kaudyan nya nagita ka na ko online. Ayan ket adupay. Ayan. Ngarod.
I looked out and I see the rain as it falls on my window pane, and the music that's in my heart
Is a sad refrain. Endless traffic of sounds and sights, midst the glitter of neon lights. Still the music that's in my heart is a sad refrain. Memories of you follow everywhere I go, down the high and byways of my days. Music of your laughter fills my every dream, like a love song from long ago. Never-ending streams of faces come and go,
million different people all around. No use searching for, I'll never find you there, for you are far beyond compare. Take a jet to a hideaway from the humdrum of every day. Yet the music that's in my heart is a sad refrain. Memories of you follow everywhere I go, down the high and byways of my days. Music of your laughter fills my every dream, like a love song from long ago. Never-ending streams of faces come and go, million different people all around. No use searching for, I'll never find you there, for you are far beyond compare. La, 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 la. No use searching for, no use searching for, I'll never find you there, for you are far beyond compare.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much for being with us. And once again, this has been your Manong Jun.
And John Mark Pastor.
Adda kami tumanan next week.